Avatar SD40 is the simplest, most precise, and most versatile seeder which requires minimal maintenance, low horsepower, and will achieve the seeding goals in your farming operation without compromise. Let's break down why this machine will benefit you on your farming operation. Let's start with the simplistic operation of the Avatar SD40. For starters, it's an ISOBUS compatible implement, meaning if you already have an ISO virtual terminal in your tractor, you're ready to plug and play without any additional investment into other monitors. Through the ISOBUS implement control, you can easily perform such functions as your calibrations, rate control going through the field, and adjust opener down pressure on the fly. When competitive opener pivot points start to wear out, it impacts soil engagement, which negatively affects your seed depth and placement, putting your yields at risk. Looking at the Avatar SD40 opener mount arms, we use a rubber torsion clamshell mounting system with a hydraulically actuated rock shaft. This gives you up to 550 pounds of downforce when planting even in the toughest conditions. Unlike many competitive single disc drills, Avatar SD40 has zero replacement costs when it comes to replacing pins, bushings, and pivot points on the opener mounting, plus provides superior depth placement, which is an essential key in securing your yields. From a standing position at the rear of the Avatar SD40, you can easily adjust both seed depth and down pressure of the closing wheel, simply, safely, and precisely. Our proven electric drive volumetric meter technology is the industry leader in maintaining rate accuracy, period. Ultra-accurate calibration is easily achieved by a flip of a switch. Along with this superior calibration and rate control, we also lead in coefficient of variation from row to row through the air system. To achieve this industry-leading coefficient of variation, our unique distribution tower is specifically designed to ensure uniform application of product across the entirety of the machine. This specialized tower is able to agitate product coming through it to evenly distribute to every hose and thus every opener at a precise and consistent volume. Precision seed placement is secured first by stabilizing the toolbar through our weight transfer system, and secondly, the rubber torsion downforce system to the openers. With our weight transfer system, wheel tracks are virtually eliminated, giving you picture-perfect crop stands. The opener blade angle of engagement on Avatar SD40 is set at a 6-degree angle with a 3-degree layover, which slices through the soil with minimal draft and disturbance while still achieving perfect seed placement. This minimal draft on a 40-foot working width allows smaller horsepower tractors to operate Avatar SD40 efficiently. Unlike dual-rank single-disc seeders, the Avatar SD40, being a single-rank machine, eliminates stepping, and speed is only determined by your field and seedbed conditions. This single rank design, when paired with our transformer row cultivator, gives you a mechanical weed control option like none other. Well, there you have it. The Avatar SD40 is the simplest, most precise, most versatile machine which requires minimal maintenance, low horsepower, and will achieve the seeding goals in your farming operation without compromise. To find out more, visit our website at www.horsch.com and follow us on social media to keep up to date on the latest innovations from Horsch.